Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning 3D product advertisement, something that looks like a real cinematic commercial. To begin, I pick a random product image, download it, and get ready to transform it into a full 3D scene with rich visual effects. I open a new chat, upload the product image, and when the tool asks for extra instructions, I simply tell it, "Please answer all yourself." Right away, it generates multiple detailed prompts. I copy the first one and head over to Nanobanana 2 to create the visual. I remove the previous input, switch to the Pro version, hit Generate, and wait for the result. It produces a nice design, but I prefer another version, so I select that one. Next, I move to Gemini and upload the product again. This is where the transformation happens. I ask Gemini to replace the original product inside the artwork, and it works perfectly. You can see the difference, the original product image and the new stylized 3D version. I download the high-quality result. Now I go back to ChatGPT, open the Cinematic Ad Studio, start a new chat, and upload the enhanced product image. It gives me a fresh cinematic prompt, and I copy it. This time, I test it with Google VEO-3, Google's powerful video generator. If your video model needs fewer words, there's also a shorter text version you can use, perfect for VEO-3 or Sora 2. After generating with VEO-3, I download the output and check the results. Then I take the exact same prompt and move into Sora 2. I upload the image again, paste the prompt, set the duration to around 12 seconds, and let it render. Once it finishes, I download the video and watch the end animation. I adjust a few settings, hit Generate, and the animation starts instantly. The fun part is exploring the endless variations. Every new prompt gives you a new style or perspective. And once you upscale your final version, the quality becomes extremely sharp and cinematic.
Move faster than light.
To create these kinds of animations, I mainly rely on two custom GPTs, Cinematic Ad Studio and 3D Digital Advertisement. These handle the prompt writing, style direction, and structure. For style-to-product transfer, so the final image actually matches the effect, I use Nanobanana 2, which blends your real product into the artistic style. If you want to dive deeper into these tools, you can follow me on Patreon. You'll also find everything on my Gumroad, where I have a full collection of custom GPTs, each one designed for a specific creative task. The Digital Advertisement Prompt Generator, Cinematic Ad Studio, and many more fun and free GPTs are available there. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube and on X, join our Facebook group, and check out Patreon if you want monthly access to all these GPTs for a very small subscription. Every time I release something new, I announce it across all platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create your own cinematic 3D product ads. See you in the next one.
When the day slows and light gathers in gold, a presence remains. A touch of warmth, of memory, of you. The new fragrance by Chanel. Let your presence linger.
Valoro Coffee. Awaken the quiet power.
Crunch boldly.
Hold up! You dropped the chip!
I'll never let go!
The crunch level is spiking.
Say hello!
To my little friend.
Let your presence linger.
Hold up! You dropped a chip!
I'll never let go.
Oh! The crunch level is spiking!
Say hello to my little friend.
It's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. Nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe.
The sun rises over Alexandria, a city of marble and fire. The sea glows like liquid gold, mirroring a dynasty's ambition. In marble halls, an 18-year-old queen ascends, Cleopatra VII, daughter of Ptolemy. Her brother, Ptolemy XIII, plots in shadows, a kingdom divided at birth. Cleopatra moves through corridors, her sandals silent on stone. She knows knowledge is the sharpest blade. At night, she studies scrolls of Greek and Egyptian lore. She learns to speak to gods and generals alike. The people whisper her name, not in fear, but in fascination. Then comes the storm, exile, betrayal. Her banners fall as her brother takes the crown. Exile hardens her will. Across the sands, she gathers loyal hearts and whispers of destiny. In secret, she sails home, her spirit unbroken. Ahead, a Roman flag flutters. Julius Caesar has arrived. Through cunning and courage, she enters the palace wrapped in a rug, reborn in the lion's den. From exile to empire, she reclaims her crown, not with swords, but with wit and charm sharper than steel. The world bends to her. Egypt's last pharaoh, the woman who ruled the rulers. For Cleopatra, power was never given. It was taken, forged, and remembered through time. And though the centuries fade, her name endures, the queen who turned history into legend. Europe holds its breath. In the spring of 1815, one name again shook the old world, Napoleon. From exile on Elba, he returned like a storm over France. The tricolor rose once more, and soldiers rallied to their emperor's call. For 100 days, Europe trembled. Old allies gathered to end the empire that had reshaped a continent. Then came Waterloo. Under a dark June sky, cannon smoke and rain erased the last dream of glory. Defeated, Napoleon surrendered to the British, not as a conqueror, but as a man seeking mercy from history. They sent him to St. Helena, a lonely rock in the South Atlantic, an emperor turned prisoner of the sea. Each day he walked the cliffs, gazing at a horizon that never changed. The wind became his only companion. He wrote endlessly, memoirs, reflections, fragments of war. In exile, his pen replaced his sword. The man who once ruled millions now ruled only memory. He shaped his defeat into legend. Visitors found him weary but unbroken. His voice still carried command, though his empire lived only in words. Illness crept upon him. By 1821, the great general faced his final campaign, against time and pain. When death came, it was quiet. The sea that caged him carried whispers of his name across the world. France mourned. Even his foes paused, sensing the end of an age and the rise of a legend. In death, Napoleon gained what life denied: eternity. His story became Europe's mirror, reflecting both its triumph and terror. And so, long after the cannons fell silent, one truth endured: power fades, but legacy remains forever.